Congratulations!
Words cannot express what I feel at this moment. The fact that you have come to see how improbable this all was, just like I am. But the God of the impossible made this a reality.
God is good. When I look at you, that's what comes to mind. You showed me how to love, how love's supposed to be, for the first time. So my vow to both of you is this: to love you, respect you, take care of you as best as I can, stay devoted to our family, and remain loyal to your heart. I would like to end this moment with words from a man of our generation. Very wise words. He said this: "You complete me, Michael Scott." I love you forever.
I am blessed beyond all measure, and my life with you is a dream come to life. Along with my son Abram, 3 of us, it's perfect now. I thank God for you each day. For you are the missing piece to my puzzle. You are heaven sent, the woman God made for me. If I could, I'd marry you every day.